Hello everybody, this is Gavin at the Pendle Leisure Centre. Today I'm going to put a video up on how to use the screens at Colne's Pendle Leisure Centre for the treadmills. It's only going to be as quick as I can. I'm going to try and do it quite quickly. It does not replace a review or a part one with us. If you're not sure about any bits of kit when you come into the gym, come and speak to one of the instructors and we'll show you then and there. Otherwise, if you want a more thorough instructional, come and book an appointment with the gym team. So very quickly, we're going to start the treadmill by tapping the screen with the finger, get the quick start menu started. It counts 3, 2, 1 and starts. We have a stick on the right for the speed, which we push forward and backward, which will change the speed on the right side of the screen. And then we have the stick on the left, which increases the gradient. The gradient goes up to 20, called 20 on gradient percentage, which is very steep for a treadmill. And the speed goes up to 25. One little tip that we can do on both speed and gradient is we can put the finger on the display, tap it at any point, and then tap the green tick, and then the treadmill will jump up to the gradient you've selected. It's the same with the speed. If I tap there and put my finger on, it will go up to the speed that I've just tapped it on. So that's a shortcut. Be careful with the speed. Always make sure that you don't go any higher than the speed you've last run at, and then you increment it up from there. So the numbers on the top are in meters. So I've done 60 meters there. Alright, 70 meters. So 1.00 is 1,000 meters or 1 kilometer. Time elapsed, calories. Now with calories, you can see there's a little green triangle. That means I can tap that and pick a number to look at, a bit different total or figure that we can look at. So look at calories. Currently it's telling me how many calories I've burned. I'm going to put my finger on there and tap the hour. Now if I run at this pace for an hour, roughly I will be burning 1,000 calories, which is a really good workout. And then we've got the pace for a kilometre set there. Again, I can change these numbers, the average pace, best pace, etc. But the pace for a kilometre is probably the best one. On the graph below, we've got the options of a the profile is the one that it starts on as default. We can tap the lap button and we'll get a 400 metre running track light down at Seed Hill. And then a simple button, but tap the simple tab for a larger number display if you're short-sighted. Well, you've got, is it short-sighted or long-sighted, I always get confused. And then below this, we have cool down, stop, pause and fan. If we pause the treadmill, it will pause your workout for about 60 seconds. When you press resume, it will go back to the speed you left it at. And finally, if you press the cool down button, it will slow your treadmill down for 5 minutes, bring your gradient down and bring your speed down until you're at a complete stop inside 5 minutes. Hopefully you found this little bit of training advice or training instructional on the treadmill useful. Please like below if you found it useful, give us a comment or a share, and thanks for watching as usual.